Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: foods that are bad for your liver. Your liver is crucial for detoxifying your body, metabolizing nutrients, and producing bile for digestion. Given its significant role, keeping your liver healthy is essential for your overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore 6 common foods that could be harming your liver and provide tips on how to make healthier choices. Let's get started. 1. Alcohol. First on our list, and perhaps the most well-known culprit, is alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption might be safe for some people, excessive intake can lead to a range of liver problems, including fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. When you consume alcohol, your liver processes it to break it down and remove it from your bloodstream. During this process, toxic byproducts are produced, which can damage liver cells. Over time, this damage can lead to inflammation, fatty deposits, and eventually scar tissue, a condition known as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a serious condition where the liver becomes permanently damaged and cannot function properly. To protect your liver, it's important to drink alcohol in moderation. For men, this means up to 2 drinks per day, and for women, it's up to 1 drink per day. If you've already been diagnosed with a liver condition, it's best to avoid alcohol altogether. Consider opting for non-alcoholic beverages, especially when socializing, to reduce your intake. Before we go to our second pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Sugary foods and drinks. Next up are sugary foods and drinks. High sugar diets are linked to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and fatty liver disease. When you consume sugary foods and beverages, your body converts the excess sugar into fat. This fat can accumulate in the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD is becoming increasingly common and can progress to more serious liver conditions if left untreated. Common culprits include sodas, candies, baked goods, and even seemingly healthy items like fruit juices and smoothies. Many processed foods also contain hidden sugars, so it's important to read labels carefully. To protect your liver, aim to reduce your intake of added sugars. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia and focus on consuming whole fruits instead of fruit juices. Cutting back on sugary snacks and desserts can also make a significant difference. Gradually, you may find your taste buds adjusting to less sugary options, making it easier to stick to a low-sugar diet. Substituting sugary drinks with water or herbal teas can be a game changer. Not only will this reduce your sugar intake, but it will also help keep you hydrated, which is vital for liver function. Try infusing water with fresh fruits or herbs for a refreshing alternative to sugary beverages. 3. Fried and fast foods. Fried and fast foods are another major threat to liver health. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, calories, and sugars, which can lead to weight gain and liver damage. Fried foods, such as French fries, fried chicken, and donuts, are typically cooked in unhealthy oils high in trans fats. These trans fats can increase inflammation and contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. Additionally, the high calorie content of these foods can lead to obesity, a significant risk factor for liver disease. Fast foods, like burgers, pizzas, and fried snacks, are often loaded with unhealthy fats and sugars. Regular consumption of fast food can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, increasing the risk of NAFLD. To protect your liver, try to limit your intake of fried and fast foods. Opt for healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, or steaming. Instead of ordering fast food, prepare home-cooked meals using fresh ingredients. This way, you have control over the types of fats and oils you use, ensuring they are healthier choices. Making small changes can have a big impact. For example, replace fried snacks with healthier options like air-popped popcorn or baked vegetable chips. These alternatives satisfy your craving for something crunchy without the unhealthy fats. Additionally, meal prepping can be a great way to avoid the temptation of fast food. Prepare meals in advance, so you have healthy options readily available when you're short on time. Incorporate a variety of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals to ensure a balanced diet that supports liver health. 4. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as sausages, bacon, and deli meats, are staples in many diets, but they can be detrimental to liver health. These meats often contain high levels of preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Processed meats are typically high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can contribute to the buildup of fat in the liver. Moreover, the preservatives and additives used in processed meats can increase oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Processed meats are also high in sodium, which can contribute to liver damage. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention, placing extra strain on the liver. To protect your liver, consider replacing processed meats with healthier protein sources such as lean meats, fish, beans, and legumes. These options provide essential nutrients without the harmful additives and high fat content found in processed meats. Experiment with plant-based protein sources such as tofu, tempeh, and lentils. These foods are not only lower in fat but also rich in fiber, which can help support overall digestive health. Incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet can reduce your reliance on processed meats and improve your liver health. 5. Salty foods. High sodium intake is a common issue in many diets and can be harmful to liver health. Consuming too much salt can lead to liver damage over time and contribute to other health problems. Excessive sodium intake can cause high blood pressure and increase the risk of liver disease. High sodium levels can also lead to fluid retention and swelling, which can impair liver function. Processed foods, canned soups, and snacks are often high in sodium. Even foods that don't taste particularly salty, such as bread and cereals, can contain hidden sodium. To protect your liver, aim to reduce your sodium intake. Choose fresh, whole foods over processed options and use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt. Reading food labels can also help you identify and avoid high sodium foods. Cooking at home allows you to control the amount of salt in your meals. Try experimenting with different herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of your dishes without relying on salt. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley, or spices like cumin, paprika, and turmeric can add a burst of flavor to your meals. 6. White bread and pasta. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and pasta, can negatively impact liver health. These foods are often stripped of their fiber and nutrients, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. When you consume refined carbohydrates, they are quickly broken down into sugar in your bloodstream. This can lead to insulin resistance and fat accumulation in the liver, increasing the risk of NAFLD. To support liver health, opt for whole grain alternatives such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa. These options are higher in fiber and nutrients, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of liver damage. Including a variety of whole grains in your diet can make meals more interesting and nutritious. Experiment with grains like farro, bulgur, and barley to find your favorites. These grains can be used in salads, soups, and as side dishes, providing a satisfying and healthy alternative to refined carbohydrates. Remember, making small changes over time can lead to significant improvements in your liver health. Start by gradually replacing refined carbohydrates with whole grains in your meals, and you'll notice the benefits in the long run. Taking care of your liver is crucial for overall health. By reducing or eliminating these harmful foods from your diet, you can help ensure your liver stays healthy and functions properly. Remember, moderation and balance are key. Focus on a diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support your liver and overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.